Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to duplicate your project on the CapCut by iOS or iPhone. So now we just need to go into the CapCut application and open the application, and then after that we are generated into the first page of the CapCut application. And now you can choose which project that you want to duplicate. Sometimes you want to make like two versions of editing. You don't need to restart or to input from the beginning the video that you want to edit. You just need to duplicate the project. So the things we just need to do is choose which project we want to duplicate, and then after that click this three circles button on the right side of the project, and now you can click duplicate. You can duplicate as much as you want. So here the project will gonna have the same editing into the real project. You just need to do the other editing to make it like more variative. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.